If we look around the world, we would see there is a very strange phenomena. You take most of the genuses in the world, there are many species in it. Like the genus Panthera contains species like Tigris, Leo, Onca. The genus Canis contains multiple extant species such as wolves, dogs, jackals, etc. And there are so many examples. But look at us. The genus Homo contains only us, the Homo sapiens. Now, a few questions arises. But why it is like that? All our friends, for example, cats, dogs, have their distant cousins, but not us. Was it always been like this? No, it was not. There were many species under the genus Homo, like Australopithecus, Erectus, Neanderthaliensis, habilis, and so on. But all our cousins are now extinct. But why only Homo sapiens survive and not others? And what happened to them? All interesting topics are interesting because there are no clear answers. The presence of mystery is intriguing, and so is for this case. Many people have different theories related to this, but there are two most acceptable ones. 1. The survival of the fittest. There were times when various species of the genus Homo, notably the sapiens and the Neanderthals, walked around the earth together. Many suggested that it was the conflict between the two genus that led to the extinction of the other. Neanderthals, though, were powerful but didn't stand a chance against the agile, skillful, and cunning sapiens. This theory is full of warfare and to some extent hate, but I love love. So, I personally buy the next theory, that is the unification of species. This suggests that at various points of time in our history, various species under Homo interbred among themselves. It is said that sapiens and Neanderthals interbred with each other when they met outside Africa about 55,000 years ago. As a result, everyone today whose ancestors live outside Africa at that time has inherited a small but significant amount of Neanderthal DNA, which make up about 2% of their genome. So, among the two theories, which one do you prefer? Don't forget to mention it in comments below. I wonder, what would our civilization be if there were two different species under genus Homo? Would our society accept the other humans, or the dominant ones would rule over the recessive species? There may have been severe cases of slavery and racism. Do comment your thoughts below. Thank you for being with us till the end. Let me know, did you guys like the concept of the video and want similar videos? I would like to sincerely thank the book Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari, and this video is heavily inspired from the book. Namaskar. Don't forget to react, comment and share. Signing off, Arindam Deb from The Organic Thoughts.